Hey, Groundhog Day, February 2nd, 2011. And the young ladies that we're looking at are actually about 5'2". That's actually a 4-foot tall mailbox. So we've had a tremendous amount of snow, 22 inches last night. You can see from my neighbor, who was very industrious and went out very early and cleaned his driveway, which is a brilliant thing to do. But we've been inside playing, messing around, and waiting, and as you can see, some nice snow drifts. And you can also see that the street is not plowed whatsoever in front of us, so ergo no rush to clean my driveway. So most of Chicago's been shut down. Again, this is Elk Grove Village. We've got 22 inches of snow today. And as you can see as we walk out to the street, it's just blanketed in white. Got my neighbors digging themselves out, and again, very industrious of them, but I'm not sure where they're going to go because the village called us earlier today and said that they're not going to plow us out until tomorrow, perhaps Friday, and it is Wednesday. You can see the drifts up onto the house. Kids playing in the front yard. By the way, just to give you an idea of how deep the snow is, you see the welcome sign at the front, the little snowman. That's a 4-foot high snowman. Let me zoom in on it here if I can. There we go. That's a 4-foot high snowman. That is buried. So the drifts are dramatic. It's lots of snow. The kids are having fun. They're trying to find the ground. So as you can see, the snow is pretty high. And pretty dramatic, neat looking things about how the snow is coming off the roof. I'll probably have to climb up there eventually and shovel some of that off so we don't have too much weight on the roof. Okay, so the kids found the snow. So let's look down, and we need some kind of a measuring stick. Put an arm down there or something so we could see. Alright, so there you could see her arms up to almost her elbow going down. So pull that back out, show us the length. There's the length of that. And using another pair of goggles as scale, there you go. You got an idea. Pretty deep. Pretty neat. You gonna video it? I'm not on the ground yet. Pretty deep.
Yep. Oh. It's very attractive, Dad. It's a good look. You can do it, Dad. Use those yoga muscles. Woo!
Yeah, well, no conditioning class needed now. Just run through this. This keeps your knees high, huh?
Very nice.
Thank you.
Let's do it. And I'm not on the ground. Woo! Yeah, I can take it back down. Okay, this is our neighbor's driveway. And the snow gets up to here. Aaron, you stay next to it and I'll film you. Stays up to there. Yep. Some pretty high snow. Here are our neighbors. Not sure what that car is trying to do.
Car?
Yeah. There's a car just scooting in and backing it out.
There's no way they're coming down this street.
No, not really. Look at my snow angel. They're Megan and Amanda. I think the Dad hit the ground. The snow's up to about his waist. Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Getting a full shot. How do you feel?
The heat in my body is gone.
Stand up.
Oh, I can't move!
Oh, you got your legs to move. Go, go, go!
Ah.
Ha!
Ugh.